Hello friends, welcome to our channel Java Adda. Today we are going to see how to install Java, Java को install कैसे करें, how to execute program, how to set the path of Java. As you can able to see here, if I try to try to execute the Java C compiler, what exactly he is saying? Java C is not recognized. Okay, that's mean Java is not there. He can't able to recognize that thing. So in order to install the Java, what you require a JDK. That JDK you can able to download from the link provided below. नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे आप इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. Like after downloading the JDK, you have to click it. आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे और you have to simply write accept next. Then it take few minutes to install. It depends on computer to computer how much speed it's going to give. After installation, what you are going to see, you are going to find a folder in a program file that is JDK and Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment. Java Development Kit is basically no, provide you the libraries and all those things in order to write that program, that language. And after that you require a environment in which that is going to run. So that is JVM. That JVM is implemented in Java runtime environment. Now we finish up with our setup. So I am again trying to execute the Java C after installation also. Again it is giving the same error. So that's when you have to do something. So you can resolve that thing by setting the path of Java. How you are going to set the path? Let's see where that Java C compiler is. It is inside the C. There is a program file. In program file, here is Java. Now you can able to see there is the two things. One is JDK, that is the development kit. So and another is Java runtime environment. So in JDK there is a bin. In bin you can able to find out that Java C. It is a Java compiler which is going to compile your code, that is source code, and that is going to be converted into a bytecode which is inside your class file, as I told you in the last lecture. So um, if you execute it, then it get executed, but still if you try to execute it from here, it is not executing. So how you are going to set the path of Java? So in order to execute that compiler, you have to click on my computer, go to the property. In property there are so many tabs. You have to click on advanced. In advanced there is a environment variable. Click on environment variable, click on new, set right here path, and copy the path of your Java C compiler. Paste and paste it here in environment variable. Terminate it and OK. Then close it. Then OK. If I again execute this after closing it once, if I write here Java C, oh, now it is executing. So that's when your Java C compiler is working. Now what you are going to do, you are going to create one folder just for the sake of collection, whatever the program I'm going to teach you here. So here is I'm making a Java C folder. I'm deleting that file, that is class file. So now there is no class file for this ABC. Now, this is a class in which you are creating one class ABC. Now we are going to talk about this class, object, all those things later. But for the sake of understanding how to compile, how to execute the program, I am writing a simple program, okay, which is simply printing "Hello friend, welcome to Java Adda." Okay, so as C, in other language, there is also a main function inside the Java, that is public static void main. What that public means कि you can able to access that thing from any place. आप इसको कहीं से भी access कर सकते हैं, public का ये meaning हुआ. Void means it is going to write and not going to write anything. Void means nothing, means it's not going to write anything. That is the name of function. Here I am passing one array as a parameter inside that function. There is again one more class, and one more thing is here to remember, that you have to start with capital letter, for the name of the class. Okay, like similarly, system is here class. In the system class, there is a function printf. That function going to print a message for you. So how you are going to compile that thing? First, go to that directory. How you are going to go to how you will go to that directory? By changing the directory to Java. So I am changing the directory to the Java. In Java, you are going to write the compiler name Java C. So here it is a Java C. Always remember, the name of the file which you are saving is must be same as the class name which containing the main function. So abc.java. So I save it. It is already existing, so it is showing that message. So what you find here, there is a source file. I have one compiler, Java C compiler. I will give the name of that source file, that is ABC. Now if I compile it, it get compiled. Now after compiling, what you find here? There is a class file that contain the bytecode of that particular program. So what that Java C compiler did, he convert your source code into the bytecode. Now that's mean your bytecode is ready, that is capable, that is machine independent code. So you can able to run that code at any place which contain the Java runtime environment. So as you know, you can able to see in that in Java folder we have one Java runtime environment. So how you are going to run that thing? So for running that thing, you have to write Java ABC. No need to mention dot class. Just enter it. Now what you find, what he is writing? He is writing, "Hello friends, welcome to Java Edda. Thanks, friend for watching, and please like and comment so that we can able to get motivated, हम लोग मोटिवेट हो सकें। और आप नीचे दिए गए हुए सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक करना ना भूलें, सो दैट आपको आपको हमारे चैनल पे होने वाले सारे अपलोड्स के बारे में पता लगता रहे और आप टाइम टू टाइम उस चीज़ को वॉच करते रहें। इन नेक्स्ट क्लास we are going to talk about the future of Java, then we are going to perform some experiment, some practice, all those things. Thanks for watching.